a step-by-step guide on how you can get pay stubs from Amazon Flex. So I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, we will use the app. You want to open up the Amazon Flex app. This is the main platform where all of your delivery information and payments are tracked. You will then go to the earnings section in the app, navigate to the earnings tab, and it will show you a summary of your weekly payments, including the hours you worked and the total pay you've earned. View payment details. You can select a specific week to see a breakdown of your payments, including the deliveries you completed, tips, and any bonuses. Screenshot or print. While Amazon Flex doesn't offer additional or traditional pay stubs, you can screenshot the payment information for your records and use it as proof of income. You can also do it through bank statements. Since Amazon Flex deposits your earnings directly into your bank account, you can also check your bank statements for a record of deposits from Amazon Flex. This can be used as proof of income. Tax documents. At the end of the year, Amazon Flex will send you a 1099 form if you're in the US and earned enough to qualify for one, which serves as an official tax document for your earnings. You can use this form as an annual summary of your income. And also you can contact Amazon Flex support. If you need more detailed records, you can contact their support. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.